what would it be? Would you call it to his face? If you were faced with him and all his glory, what would you ask if you had just one question? Yeah. Yes. 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 I know God is great and yes. 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 Yes, He is. God